The story starts when the project management team working in Jira software adds an epic, and with the help of the middleware platform that is Kovair Omnibus, that epic gets synchronized to Azure DevOps where the development team is working. When they receive the epic, they start working on it and they break down the epic into several different user stories linked to the epic, and this newly created user stories along with the epic gets synchronized to Jira. For better visibility, managing the entire traceability and project management team to have better decision-making capability. Now, let's assume that some time has passed, and the story has been implemented and it has been deployed at the client's end. Now definitely the client can come up with certain bugs or incidents that they will be raising to the technical support team, which is working in ServiceNow. When the customer raises the incident, the technical support team verifies it, and upon verification, when they verify this as an actual bug or incident, they add that record in ServiceNow. And again, with the help of Kovair Omnibus platform, that incident gets synchronized to Azure DevOps as a bug. Now the development team, when they start working on the bug, they link it to the particular implemented story. And this link also gets synchronized to Jira for traceability. And from time to time, whatever update they provide for resolving the bug that has been raised, that gets synchronized to ServiceNow as well as to Jira. At the same time, this tool is capable of sending data to multiple integrating tools. The technical support team is getting the fixes as well as the project management team is getting the updates for maintaining complete traceability. This is what we are going to present in today's live demonstration. Let me go ahead and create an epic. I'll provide the summary and a short description as well, and I'll paste it here. The priority value I've chosen here is 4. Let's say I also want to add an attachment here, so I'll just select that particular file. It can be image, text, or whatever kind of file you want to add as an attachment with the epic. And then we can go ahead and create the epic. As soon as I create, I click on the refresh button. Now here you can see the details that I provided. Also, you can see 2 field values that are empty as of now. That is the record ID and the record URL. These fields are empty as of now, but as soon as this record is created in Azure DevOps, these fields will get automatically updated. Let me give a refresh. You can see that these 2 fields got updated automatically with the values of the record ID and the record URL. Just simply click on this URL and you can directly browse to the target tool, to the specific record that has been created, and you can match the different details that you provided. The title is there, the description, the priority value, the attachment that I added, and also here as well we have provided the values of the Jira record ID and the URL. So, from both the side you can very well browse the URLs to extract the records. They break down this epic into user stories, so they will go ahead and create some new item linked to the epic, and this will be a story, and the story is created with rich description. And I save and close this story. Now definitely the team will update the status, they will change it to active, and they will also provide a comment like story linked to the epic, and with this details they'll go ahead and save the record. When I switch back to Jira, I will be able to see the update that I made in the epic. That is the state change and the comment as well, and also the linked user story. I'm here in Jira, and let me go ahead and give a quick refresh on the list page. You can see the story got created. This is a story that I created in Azure DevOps. It's available in Jira, and this is a story that I created. You can see the rich text value here, that is the bold italics and underline whatever I provided has synchronized very well in the target tool along with the link to the epic. And if I browse to the epic, you can also see the status change, and if I scroll a bit down, you can see the comment as well. Now, as I said, let's assume that some time has passed and the story has been implemented and it has been deployed at the client end. Now when the client faces some issue there, they will raise an incident to the technical support team. Let's say the urgency is high, and also along with the record set, they will provide an attachment and will submit the record. So now as soon as this incident gets registered in ServiceNow, this will be picked up by Omnibus and it will be synchronized to Azure DevOps. Here as well, you can see two field values which is empty as of now, and this will also get automatically updated once the record get created in Azure DevOps, and we will have the ID and the URL of the Azure DevOps record. This is the URL that you know got updated now, and the ID as well. So now let me just quickly browse this. So this is the detail. Again, you can see the rich text value got updated here very well. And as soon as this record get created in Azure DevOps, with the help of the business logic that we have established, bug will also be created in Jira. As you can see, the details are available here, the record ID and the URL from the record got created in Jira. And also for reference, you have the incident number of the record that is created in ServiceNow. Now, when the development team sees the bug and then they find out this bug should be related to one of the existing user story that has been implemented, they'll go ahead and link this particular bug to the story. And they will provide some comment as well, and that they will provide some estimated delivery data as well. Let's say, on 10th they assume or they think that they will be able to resolve this bug, and they also change the status to active and they save with these updates. Now, it will trigger the update in ServiceNow and Jira. In ServiceNow I will be able to check the estimated delivery date and the comment. And in Jira I will be able to track the link to the story so that the project management team working in Jira, they have the complete responsibility starting from the epic to the user story to the bug. Let me go back and first of all show you the incident that got updated in ServiceNow. You can see the status got changed to in progress. And if I open this incident here, you will be able to see the comment that I provided. So the comment that I gave in Azure DevOps, and if I go back to Jira and give a refresh, you will be able to see the newly created bug. And you can see the status update, attachment and the comment here. And if I go to the user story, you will be able to see the linked items here. That is, this is the bug that is blocking the story. And this is the epic with which the story is linked to. This is how easily you can set up the entire integration and how easily you can monitor and track the changes that is being made when different teams are working in different tools. Thank you. Please feel free to reach out to Kovair for further information about your synchronization journey.